Hello everyone, this is Muzammil Akbar and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the read and write speed of your computer hard drives using the command. So let's go. First you have to determine how many hard drives your computer has. I have two hard drives in my system. The first one is solid state and the second one is traditional hard drive. Each hard drive is divided into several partitions and each partition is named with a specific letter. So now what you have to do is open command prompt, run as administrator and type this command here: winset space disk space drive and the partition name and hit the enter button. Wait for a couple of seconds and you can see here I will test the speed of my solid state hard drive, and this is the final read and write speed of my solid state hard drive. This hard drive stores a Windows operating system and names with the letter C. You can see here. So I hope you like this video. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.